Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela, and for today's video I wanted to do something fun and exciting. I wanted to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. Now this is totally out of my comfort zone because I hate being rushed. It's one of my biggest annoyances. I like to, take my time with things, but also be on time. So this is going to be stressful and overwhelming for sure. Even though I feel like I can get my makeup done in 5 minutes in terms of just like something quick that will cover my sunspots and will make me look presentable, whether it's for work or just to run an errand. I think I can do it in 5 minutes. I've never timed myself or been under pressure to do it. So I hope this turns out okay. If you guys want to see the challenge, then just keep on watching. It's so crazy how nervous I am right now. Like, I laid out my makeup. I keep things very simple on a day-to-day basis. So I feel like I can even do this with my eyes closed. That might be another challenge. But I am sweating because I'm so nervous and I really want to do this well, So I have another phone here, an old phone that I have. I have it set to 5 minutes. The only thing on my face right now, as always, is moisturizer and my SPF. Those are two things that I put on as soon as I get out of the shower. So it sinks into my skin and I'm ready to put on makeup whenever that happens. So, drum roll. On your marks, get set, and go. All right, I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, because that's something that I always start off with. And on an everyday basis, I do something really similar to what I'm trying to achieve today. Just look put together and go to work. So if you guys could feel how fast my heart is beating right now, this is crazy. I don't know why I am freaking out as much as I'm freaking out right now. And as always, all the products will be listed down below if you guys want to check any of these out. Okay, that's my eyebrows. Let's go on to foundation. It's 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. And if it looks like I'm being aggressive to my face, I am. I'm usually not this aggressive when I'm putting on makeup, but we have to be fast today. So I'm trying to hurry. 3 minutes and 10 seconds left. I feel like I have to talk through this to calm myself down. So I apologize if you guys thought I was going to be silent. I can't. I'm freaking out. All right, that's my foundation done. Moving on to concealer. And of course, because it wouldn't be my makeup if it's not extra, I like to mix. Same brush. Two minutes and 30 seconds left. That's done. Let's put on some powder here. 2 minutes left. My God. I'm just setting my face with that loose powder. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Okay, that's done. Let's put on some eyeshadow. Where is it? 1 minute and 20 seconds. I am sweating. Okay, that's done. Mascara, 56 seconds left. No! My biggest fear. I just got mascara on my eyelid. Why? All right, 43 seconds left. Let's put on some blush here. $30 seconds. Ooh. All right. Some lip gloss. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm done. Oh my goodness. That was intense. I got my makeup on though. Whew, let me breathe and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, and I think I have calmed down. I took so many deep breaths after that challenge was done because I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but I was sweating profusely through the whole thing. And it's crazy because I do my makeup like this every single day to go to work, and I'm usually out the door in no time. But obviously now that I had a timer right here that I was watching, it was so much different. I was so flustered. I just wanted it to end. But I'm really happy with how the makeup came out. I feel like it's presentable. It's something that I wear to work every single day and that I can go run errands in. The only thing is that obviously I didn't really blend my blush here, but that's no big deal. It's, you know, it would take me another 2 seconds to do. So this was a lot of fun and definitely overwhelming. For anyone that has filmed this video or has tried this 5-minute makeup challenge, you guys know what I mean. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me be flustered and sweat so much. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos of makeup, beauty, fashion, traveling, and food. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys soon.